Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how exactly you can add the color overlay on any picture. And for adding the color overlay, you just have to make sure like you have the picture open in your Photoshop or if you're using Photopea. Right now I'm using the Photopea. The process is exactly same on both sides. So for example, in this particular picture, I want to add the gradient overlay. So what I need to do is like I need to go in there. I want to click on gradient overlay. Now I need to adjust the position. For example, I want to change the overlay side. I can change it from here, but I want to keep it just like that. So that's that. Now if I want to change the overlay type, like what sort of overlay I'm expecting right now, so I can change it from here. So right now I need to change my colors, like what exact color I can use for the color gradient. So right now I have black and white, but I want to change the white color from here. So it should be again like the black because I want to keep it just like that. So let me just show you. So now that is selected. Now I have to change the opacity from here, and I just have to make sure like it's properly scaled. For example, this is changing the scale from here on the X radius and the Y radius. You can change it from here, and that way you can actually go ahead and add the color overlay on your particular image. If you feel like you need more information on this, just shoot me a message on my Instagram. I'm adding my Instagram ID below. Thank you guys.